Welcome to this video where we are going to tackle a tricky problem related to decrypting a legacy database using Node.js. The initial code was written in Java, presenting a challenge in porting it successfully. The issue lies in the decryption process, where errors are popping up, hindering the successful decryption of the data. Let's dive into the solution and unravel the complexities of this decryption problem. In the solution provided, the Java code showcases the encryption process using the DES algorithm. The key points to note include the usage of default values for mode and padding, implying ECB mode and PKS7 padding. By specifying the algorithm as DK5 padding, the Java implementation ensures clarity and compatibility with the default settings. This adjustment is crucial for seamlessly porting the Java encryption logic to Node.js. The Java code employs a key material size of 128 bits, while DES requires a 64-bit key. Only the first 8 bytes of the key material are utilized, with the rest disregarded. To mimic this behavior in Node.js, explicitly trimming the key to 8 bytes is necessary to prevent an invalid key length error. This step aligns the key handling in Node.js with the Java implementation, ensuring a smooth decryption process. Furthermore, specifying the encoding for string-to-byte conversions in the Java code enhances transparency and consistency. Utilizing UTF-8 encoding for conversions safeguards against platform-dependent default encodings, promoting uniformity in data handling. Thankfully, the Node.js environment already leverages UTF-8, eliminating the need for encoding adjustments on that end. This harmonization in encoding practices aids in maintaining data integrity during decryption. The Node.js environment lacks support for the deprecated DES algorithm, leading to the exploration of triple DES as a viable alternative. By mimicking DES with triple DES, the encryption and decryption processes can proceed smoothly. Concatenating the 8-byte DES key with itself in the 2TEA variant aligns the Node.js decryption logic with the essence of the Java encryption approach. This adaptation ensures compatibility and facilitates the successful decryption of the legacy database. To sum up, by understanding and implementing the adjustments from Java to Node.js, we have successfully decoded the legacy database using triple DES emulation. The careful alignment of encryption algorithms, key handling, and encoding practices has enabled a seamless transition between the Java and Node.js environments. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below, because decrypting legacy databases is a desirable skill to have.